Hey, what's good, y'all? This is Will Jr., man. I trust all is well. Hey, bro, here's a fun fact for you, man. Did you know McDonald's once served bubblegum flavored broccoli? Bro, I kid you not, bro. It's a fun fact. McDonald's literally served bubblegum flavored broccoli. But of course, it did not go well for the kids that test the product, so they 86'd it, right? My days in Daytona, it was a blast, bro. I strongly encourage everybody that has not been to Daytona, especially Main Street. Bro, it's like Main Street has this energy, man, and this vibe. It's like, oh my gosh. It is two huge thumbs up, bro. I literally suggest everybody ride a motorcycle. I mean, even if you're riding two up, like really check out Main Street. Man, in Daytona Beach, of course, Daytona Beach, Florida. It's awesome, man. It's really cool. You meet some awesome people. You got great vendors. I mean, and the police are just two huge thumbs up. Like, they are literally two thumbs up. Like, everybody's pretty cool. Now, I will say this, bro. Main Street, Daytona after dark, it's still a blast, but it's like more lit and everybody's having more fun. I mean, you got your underglow on your bikes, you know what I'm saying? And the underglow is just beautiful on these bikes. Oh man, even on the Can-Ams, the Spiders, the Slingshots. Oh man, them Slingshots, bro. They showed up and showed out. But check this out, bro. Now we're out the dark. We're on Main Street. Everybody's kicking it. We chilling on our bikes. I'm recording for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yet having a good time, right? So this cat tapped me on my shoulder. He was like, bro, can I borrow your GoPro for a second? I'm like, okay, because you know what I'm saying? Everybody's just having a good time. I'm thinking it's like one of the subscribers, one of y'all or something. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, all right, it's cool, bro. I'm thinking he want to take like a picture or a video. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just y'all know how I am. I'm in the zone. I'm acting silly. I'm just, you know, amped, right? So I was like, yeah, bro. So I take my GoPro off my head. I was like, here you go, bro. And, you know, so I start back looking at the bikes, having a good time. So next thing you know, behind me, I hear, whoa, shake it, pretty lady. I'm like, whoa, bro. I turn around. This cat had my GoPro posted on some young lady that had on nothing almost. Bro, she had on literally just about nothing, man, like for real. And I was like, I'll be honest, I was a bit taken aback, like, bro, that's not what you use a GoPro for. At least my GoPro, right? Man, this cat had the GoPro and he started from the top like, all right, Barbie doll, and went all the way down. I'm like, so before I can be like, bro, give me my GoPro, you know, because I was still shocked, I'll be honest. He done took the GoPro, bro, my GoPro, and put it where the sun don't shine, like for real. And not only that, when he put it where the sun don't shine, this lady took her leg and threw it all the way up in the 12 o'clock position. Man, I kid you not. And yes, I shared this with my wifey, bro, like real talk. You know what I'm saying? I was like, bro, you can't do that. You can't do that. He's like, live a little, brother. Yeah. And I'm like, no. So then, you know what I'm saying? I was able to get my GoPro back. And by that time, she turns around and see this other young lady, and they just started embracing each other. I'm like, gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, look, I don't care what nobody do. Everybody's gonna have a good time. You know, it was just, at least tell me what you're gonna use my GoPro for, bro. So I soaked my GoPro for like 3 hours in holy water. I had to call Italy. Italy shipped me down some holy water, which is great. I appreciate you for that. And so I had to soak my GoPro, bro, for like 3 hours. It was all good. But, bro, it was just straight fun, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know y'all like, man, where's the video of that wood? Bro, I will not show that. First of all, when I got to the camper, I went to T-Mobile, because T-Mobile's been letting me use their Wi-Fi. Shouts out to T-Mobile. And also shouts out once again to New Smyrna, Bruce Russmeyer, Harley Davidson. They also let me use their Wi-Fi as well. Bro, I deleted the footage like as soon as possible. No slow-mo, no repeats. You know what I'm saying? And think about it. I was like, bro, if I really wanted to be on YouTube, like for the numbers, that video would have did it. Bro, I would have probably hit like 300,000 in like 3 hours. I kid you not, because I would have set up the thumbnail and all this other stuff. Yeah, bro, it would not have been clickbait. So I'm like, nah, that's not what I'm about, man. But everybody had a good time. Of course, I didn't get upset with the guy. He was having fun. I was having fun. I would never let him borrow my GoPro again. No. But bro, it was all fun, man. Appreciate all the subscribers, man, and all the viewers that ran up and just said what's up. Man, you guys are awesome, bro. Thank you guys so much, man. We had a blast. This is my first time being at Bike Week, right? Now, of course, I made it to 2020 Biketoberfest, but this is my first time being at the Bike Week, and my guy Sky first time as well. So I think that was what's up, man. So that was pretty cool. Now, but my question to you guys is like on some real talk stuff. Like, people has been asking me like, man, you gonna roll to Myrtle Beach? And I'm like, man, but of course. So I've been doing like my research, you know what I'm saying? Like, where's a good parking place? Where's some good eateries? Where should I post up, you know what I'm saying, to record for you guys so you guys can see some good footage, all that good stuff. And help me out, because y'all know I'm a new biker at this. I'm new at this whole thing, right? So I'm looking for like mature comments, like real talk. Is it such a thing as the first week of Myrtle Beach, the white week, and the second week of Myrtle Beach is the black week? Like, is that an unspoken rule? Like, why is that? Like, real talk. So, you know what I'm saying? I called around and asked some people like, man, is this true? You know what I'm saying? Like, do Myrtle Beach really have like a black week and then a white week? Like, why is that? Because when I rocked out at Daytona, bro, I was there for the 2 weeks. Of course, you know what I'm saying? I was there for the weekend, left, came back for that Thursday toward the weekend as well. It was black, white, all nationalities was having a great time, bro. I want the vibe to be like it was in Daytona. Everybody's having a good time. Everybody's vibing. You know what I'm saying? Just a really overall great time. So, you know, I read up on some of these things, and that I was reading that during the Black Bike Week, they're not treated as fair as the White Bike Week, and more tickets are being written, and just, you know, all these things that, you know, I think it's malarkey. So help me understand that, please, because, you know, I don't want to take wifey if it's going to be like, you know what I'm saying, any type of negative energy or negative vibes, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, y'all help me understand, like, if that is so, like, why is that? Like, seriously, because I want to participate on both weeks. I want to have fun on both weeks, both weekends, just like I did in Daytona. You know what I'm saying? So just help me understand that, man. That's all I'm looking for, is understanding. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if it is like that, and if it is a unspoken rule, it really shouldn't be, bro. Like, real talk, because y'all know I hang out with my guy Ross the Cross, man. And, you know, here's one of the main things I dig about my guy Ross the Cross, and this is real talk. Ross the Cross have never tried to relate. I love that about my guy. Not only that, but I have not tried to relate to Ross the Cross. What we have in common? This big beast right behind me, bro. Motorcycles. We hop on our bikes, we ride. We don't talk about work unless he wants to, unless I want to. I don't talk about my profession, my school, and etc. unless I want to, unless he wants to. Bro, we just hop on our bikes and we ride. You know what I'm saying? Ross has never said, he has never tried to relate like, just want to let you know, bro, I have like black friends. Or I've never tried to relate like, hey, just to let you know, man, I got white friends. Or, bro, what I mean when I say relate, when I was looking for my wifey a house, because wifey was like, man, babe, you know, I want a house, let's settle down, blah, 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 blah. So I was like, okay. So we started house hunting, and we ran into this realtor, real cool dude. So he was like, man, I got this one spot I can show y'all. It's really nice. I was like, okay, cool. So we hopped up in the car. He was like, man, it's just a little ways away. We in the car, you know what I'm saying, making just short conversation. This cat out of the blue, bro, says, just want to let you guys know I voted for Obama. Bro, what would you tell me that for? I'm focusing on trying to get a house for wifey and my family. I don't want to know who you voted for. But he was trying to relate. I wasn't feeling that, because I wasn't trying to relate. You need to tell me about these houses, the square footage, and how can you get the payment down, etc. Right? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I just politely said, hey, just turn the car around. We'll find another agent. All right? Because I ain't got time for all that, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen, when respect leaves the room, follow respect, because disrespect is going to enter the room after respect leaves. So just follow respect out of the room, man. We ain't got time for it. But help me understand that. That's what this video is for. It's not a long video at all, because I really want to do Myrtle Beach. I really do. But I would like to understand what I'm getting into, if that's the case, or at least what I'll be going to. So that's all, man. I'm just looking for a little understanding, because everybody had a good time in Daytona. Oh man, it was so nice, bro. Then Equal rocked out, man. Equal did so good, bro. You did so good, Equal girl. She did so good, bro. Oh, and a quick sidebar. But I do a sidebar in a heartbeat, bro. But quick sidebar. So I'm getting my 5,000 mile service, not this week, but next week, Lord willing, right? So I'm at 5,404 miles. Let me let y'all check that out, man. I don't know if y'all can see that. See that? 5,404 miles. So Equal's ready for her 5,000 mile service. Now, what does that consist of? Bro, I have absolutely no idea. But my guy Hooks is going to be servicing Equal next week. And as you guys know, for those who's been following the videos, is that Hooks is a master tech over here at Savannah Harley-Davidson. And man, he does a phenomenal job, bro. So we'll ask him, what does the 5,000 mile consist of? And that's what Equal will be getting done, man. And after that, I'm just looking to do some more traveling, man. If y'all know any other rallies coming up, let me know. Oh, quick sidebar, another sidebar. Man, I want to do Sturgis. So while you're commenting about Myrtle Beach, please comment about Sturgis, because I haven't heard anything about Sturgis. If it's a black thing, white thing, you know what I heard about Sturgis? Everybody have a good time. You come and you enjoy yourself. So also, man, let me know about Sturgis, man, because man, y'all know, man, and I just love riding. I love talking about motorcycles. I love riding motorcycles. And as y'all can see, man, you know what I'm saying? The cats that I rode with, they also love motorcycles. So let me know about Sturgis, man. But this is my goal. I want to rock out Sturgis. I want to rock out the Dragon. And I want to rock out some more stuff, man. So let me know, bro. Let's rock it out together, baby. Let's rock it out, man. Let's rock it out, baby. Telling you, hey, I'm putting some miles on Equal, bro. She gonna at least have 1,500 more miles. Now, I'm gonna put some more miles on it, though, seriously. Other than that, man, listen, bro. Y'all continue to be blessed. Y'all have a good day, man. Other than that, blessings.